Hello friends, welcome to our channel. The topic of today's video is essay on farmers. Let's see the headings of this essay. Introduction, importance of farmers, role of farmers, current condition of farmers and conclusion. Let's start the video. We will start our essay with a slogan. Our slogan is farmers are those that work in acres, not in hours. Introduction. India is an agricultural country. Farmers are the backbone of Indian society. The people of India are engaged in a variety of professions, but agriculture or farming is the main occupation in India. In contrast, though they are the backbone of the economy, still they are facing many problems that not only affect them but also other people. Although farmers feed the entire nation, sometimes they can't even afford 2 square meals for them and their families. Importance of farmers. Before the 1970s, India was not self-sufficient in producing food grains and imports a large sum of food grains from other countries. But when our imports start blackmailing us, then Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri find an alternative and motivated our farmers. In addition, he gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, which is remembered till the day. After this, the Green Revolution started in India and we became self-sufficient in food grains. Moreover, we started exporting our grain to other countries. Besides, the farmers contribute around 17% of the country's economy, but still they live their lives in poverty. They depend only on farming as their main and only occupation. Role of farmers. Indian farmers are very hardworking. Another name for sacrifice and penance is farmer. Farmers are the driving force of the economy. That's why a major sum of our population is directly or indirectly involved in it. Furthermore, every citizen of the country is dependent on the agriculture products produced by them. There is a saying that the soul of India is farmers who live in villages. Apart from giving us food grains, farmers are also preserving Indian culture and civilization. In the present context, the farmer is playing the most important role in our country. Current condition of farmers. Farmers are backbone of our economy. Instead of this, they are committing suicide because of the debts which they are unable to repay due to various reasons. Many of the farmers are migrating to cities to find a more stable source of income. Farmers are forced to sell their produce at a cost lower than the MSP minimum support price. However, the government has started focusing on the farmers. Many schemes are being run by the government in an effort to reduce their shortage. But government policies and schemes, despite being beneficial for them, do not prove effective. Middlemen and traders are taking advantage because most of farmers are less educated, due to which they are not getting the proper price for their hard work. Along with this, Indian farmers have to face problems like drought and flood. From ancient times till now, the life of a farmer has gone through lag. Conclusion. About 70% of our country's population still lives in villages. We have passed a long way since independence, but still we need to do a lot. Also, the village and farmers and villagers still after doing this much the economy still spend their life in misery. But if we take the matter seriously and try to resolve the problems of farmers, then soon a day will come to the village will become prosperous as the cities. Thanks for watching.